Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to share you one of the most beautiful short top with a keyhole neck design. You can pair this with jeans pant, skirt, palazzo pant. For that, I have taken a 1 meter cotton fabric and I'm going to share you how to draft the pattern for it. Firstly, fold the fabric by half in width. Just fold this by half in width one more time. Width of the fabric is 21.5 inch. If you double it, you will get some 43 inch. So this is the actual width of the fabric. Now fold it one more time. So adjust the fabric and fold it. This is open side and this is closed side. To begin with, first draw a straight line to trim the raw edges. Leave some half inch from the top and then draw the straight line. After this, I'm going to mark the length of the top. Length of my top is 30 inch in my case, which includes seam allowance. So just mark that and extend those points. Now mark 6.5 inch for shoulder, your shoulder width divided by 2. Then mark 3 inch for neck width point. So from this point, mark half inch down for shoulder slope. Then again from here, mark 7 inch down for armhole depth measurement. Then join these points. So from the shoulder, mark 7.5 inch for chest measurement. Then 15 inch for waist measurement and 21 inch for hip measurement. Then extend these points. Now, my chest measurement is 40 inch divided by 4 is 10 inch. So I am marking 10 inch. After that, mark seam allowance. So I am taking the whole width of the fabric. My waist measurement is 8.5 inch. So just mark 8.5 inch, then mark seam allowance. After this, hip measurement, which is same as my chest measurement, so I am taking the whole width of the fabric. Similarly, bottom of the fabric also I am taking the whole width. Just trim the excess fabric. Now join this. Draw back armhole curve. Then from this point, mark half inch inwards and then join this with the shoulder. Then mark half inch inwards. Then draw front armhole curve. Now I am going to cut this. Separate the back portion and for the front portion, trim the front armhole. So after this, I'll show you how to cut the back neck. This is the back portion. Draw a round neckline. Then cut it. And that's it. This is how it looks. And for sleeve, I have already posted the video. Please check the description box for the link. For this cutting is complete. Now I'll show you how to stitch it. For front neck, I have taken a canvas paper and I have folded by half in width. Just mark 3 inch as neck width point. And from here, mark 5 inch. This is the front neck depth. Now from this point again mark 3 inch. Draw a round neckline. After this, place the armhole scale exactly like this and draw a curve. After this, from this point you can either mark 1 inch or just place the armhole scale like this and you can draw it. Now starting from here, cut this similarly from here to here. This is how it looks. Just place this in a piece of fabric and then iron it. Now trim the excess fabric. Now fold the edges of the fabric and then make a stitch. I finished attaching. Now trim the excess fabric. Then fold this and mark the center notch. Then place the front portion, and for the front portion also just mark the center notch. This is the wrong side and this is the right side of the fabric. Now I am placing the neckline to the right side of the front portion. Match the center of the neckline with the front portion and then start making a stitch close to the interface. Pin the fabric before you stitch. That's it. Now leave some off-in space and trim the fabric. After this, make small cuts all around the neck. Then turn this to the wrong side of the fabric. That's it. Just iron this. To finish the neckline, I have taken a needle and I'll attach the button in it. That's it. This is how it looks. So this is the back portion of the front neckline. Just sew the neckline or hem the neckline. This is the back portion. I have taken the bias tape. Just place it here and make a stitch. Then finish the neckline by placing it at the right side of the fabric. Then make a stitch. Then turn and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. I have finished the back portion neckline. Just place the back portion on the front portion. Attach the shoulder. After attaching the shoulder, finish the back neckline by folding it twice at the wrong side of the back fabric. Now finish the back neckline by folding it twice at the wrong side of the fabric. I finished attaching the shoulder and also the back neckline. Now I'll show you how to attach the sleeves in it. Just place the sleeve at the right side of the fabric and match the center. Then make a stitch here. Repeat the same for the other side as well. Now just match the center of the sleeve with the shoulder, then pin the fabric. After this, start sewing. Similarly, finish the other side of the sleeve as well. I have finished attaching both the sleeves. Now I'll show you how to attach the sides. Just arrange the fabric. This is the hip point. So starting from the sleeve round, I am going to attach till the hip point. After this, slit area, so fold that twice for both front and the back portion and finish it off. After attaching both the sides, just fold the bottom of the fabric twice and finish it for both front and the back portion. Firstly, I'll attach the sides. Attach till this hip point. This is the slit portion, just fold it twice and start sewing it. Repeat the same for the other side as well. After that, just fold the bottom twice and make a stitch. With this, my stitching is complete. You can see I finished attaching both the sides and the slit portion and also the bottom portion. If you like this video, if you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.